Hey there, I'm Dr. Sandhya Ravi, your go-to physiotherapist, and I welcome you to the Telephysio world. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified about all the cool physiotherapy content. Now, let me ask you a question. How awesome would it be if you could actually help your employees stay healthy rather than just giving them a paycheck? Sounds great, right? I know what you're thinking. What is she talking about? We already do that by providing healthcare benefits. But let's get real for a second. Healthcare costs are out of control. Sometimes companies have to spend a huge share of what they are making on healthcare costs. And you know what? A lot of what you spend on healthcare is for treating the issues that could have been easily prevented. That's right. Companies can actually save a lot on healthcare expenses by investing in their employees' health with physiotherapy. You're thinking, all sounds great, but how do I actually get started? Don't worry, I got 3 simple steps that can help any company, big or small, to improve their employee health while saving on the healthcare cost. And trust me, this is not just about saving money, it's about creating a healthier and efficient work environment. First step, start with ergonomics. Now, this might sound technical, but it's really about making sure that the way your employees sit during work is comfortable. A poorly set up workplace can lead to all sorts of issues from back pain, neck strain, headaches, and the list goes on. But here is the good news. These problems are easy to fix. Get a physiotherapist to come in and evaluate your office setup. They will look at things like desk height, chair support, monitor placement, and keyboard positioning. It might seem like small stuff, but trust me, these adjustments can prevent a ton of health issues. And remember, healthier employees mean fewer sick days and lower healthcare costs. Second step, offer on-site physiotherapy sessions. You don't need to go all out and have a full-time physio on staff. Just bring an expert in twice a month and see the difference. During the sessions, employees can get personalized advice on how to manage pain, as well as get guidance on exercises to keep them flexible and productive. Think of it like this. If an employee starts to feel that sharp pain in their back or in their neck, they can get it checked out right away instead of waiting for it to become a bigger issue. This will prevent them from needing more expensive treatment later on. Plus, when people know they have access to this kind of care, it shows that their company genuinely cares about their well-being. So basically, it is a win-win situation for them and also for you. Step number 3, host wellness workshops. These are fantastic for educating them on how to take care of themselves, especially in a desk-bound job. The topics can range from posture, movement, stress management, and health habits. But the key is to make these workshops interactive and practical so the employee can walk away with tips they can actually use. A workshop on posture might include tips on how to sit properly, exercise to relieve tension, and advice on how to set up your workstation. You can conduct a session on stress management, educate them about breathing techniques, mindful exercises, and different ways to balance work and life more effectively. These workshops are valuable tools for improving employee health and fostering a culture of wellness in the workplace. So there you have it. 3 steps to start making real impact on employee health. And remember, these aren't just one-time fixes. They are a part of a larger strategy to create a healthier and more productive workforce. So look for nearby physiotherapists who can come for regular sessions. I am from Ooty, so if any of you Ooty-based companies need to connect with me, the link is in the description. Let's have a talk. And trust me, once you start seeing the benefits, you will wonder why didn't start sooner. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy, Stay healthy and stay you. And it's Dr. Sandhya Ravi signing off.